Vamos a ponerle el Vibrant Resonator a esta belleza acá que no tiene muffler, pero quiero que suene más agresivo. Vamos a ver qué sucede con este Volkswagen Jetta. So this is the Vibrant Ultra Quiet Resonator, and we're going to start it on this Volkswagen Jetta 1.8T 2014. I already removed the muffler, the stock muffler, but it still has the stock resonator, which I don't like the sound. I want it to sound deeper. So let's see how it sounds. Let's see how it goes. All right, boys, let's make the magic happen. Ugly big piece is gone. There we have it, a stock catalytic converter, and we remove the stock resonator, the ugly big piece, and we remove the stock muffler. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the resonator in this section, and we're gonna see how it goes. So this is a comparison of the stock Volkswagen Jetta 1.8 stock resonator and the ultra quiet Vibrant resonator. This one is a little bit lighter, but way much smaller. There you go. Look how cool the turbo is.